Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 18. I'm gonna explain about class 2 verbs, me. Chapter 18 or bab 18. Verbs, class 2 verbs, me. 1. The second kind of verb are those which take the prefix me. In most cases, these verbs are transitive, that is, they take an object, though some cases the object is not mentioned. Examples: Kami menonton filem Star Wars. We are watching Star Wars movie. So the object here is the movie, film. Number 2, Ella menyanyi lagu Standing in the Eyes of the World. Ella sings the song Standing in the Eyes of the World. The object here is song, lagu. 3. Bapanya menggali lubang kerana hendak menanam pokok mangga. His father digging a hole as he wants to plant a mango tree. So here the subject, bapa, his father. The verb, digging, menggali, and the object is lubang, a hole. Number 4, tiap-tiap pagi, dia menghantar anaknya ke college. Every morning, he sends his sons to the college. 5, Lim mengajar judo. Lim teaches judo. In this sentence, the object is not mentioned. 6. Budak-budak itu membasuh pakaian. Those children are washing clothes. 7. Salmah menyapu sampah di dalam rumah. Salmah is sweeping garbage inside the house. 8. Hashim menulis surat kepada abangnya. Hashim is writing a letter to his elder brother. 9. Anjing itu menyalak, tidak berhenti-henti. The dog is barking unceasingly or non-stop. 10. Anak kucing itu melompat. The kitten is jumping. Each of the sentence 1 to 8 there is an object. Therefore, they are transitive. Sentence 9 and 10 are intransitive. Prefix me. So for the me, from the verb that starts with L, M, N, G, and Y, R, W, and Y. Mem start from the verb that start with B, V, P, F. Men for the verb that starts from C, J, D, T, and Z. Meng for the verb that starts with H, K, Q, G, A, E, I, O, U. Meny for the verb that starts with S, and menge for monosyllabic verb. For example, cat, just one syllable. Cat means paint. Mengecat, painting. Tonton, T. The verb start from T. Menonton. O have to remove. T have to remove. So from the prefix me, lawat, melawat. Maki, memaki, abuse, or also to insult. Nilai, menilai, to assess. Nilai also means value, to evaluate. Nganga, menganga, to open the mouth. Nyanyi, menyanyi, to sing. Rasa, merasa, to taste. Wakil, mewakili, to represent. In this case, we have to put the suffix I. Yakin, meyakinkan, to convince. For meng, K is drop. Gali, menggali, to dig. Hantar, menghantar, to send. Kejar, we drop K. Mengejar, to chase. Kasar, mengkasar, to shorten prayer. Ajar, mengajar, to teach. Eja, mengeja, to spell. Ikat, mengikat, to tie. Operasi, mengoperasi, to operate. Orak, mengorak, to untie a knot. Ukur, mengukur, to measure. For mem, start from the verb be, basuh, membasuh, to wash. Veto, memveto, to veto. Pakai, memakai, to wear or to use, P drop. Fikir, memikir, to think, F drop. And men, C, cari, mencari, to find or to search. Jawab, menjawab, to answer. Dengar, mendengar, to hear or listen. Tarik, menarik, to pull, drop the T. Ziarah, menziarah, to visit. Menj, for the verb that start with S, but S have to be dropped. Sapu, menyapu, to sweep. Simpan, menyimpan, to keep. For monosyllabic verb, we put menge, like pump, mengepam, to pump. Post, mengepos, to post letters. Cam, mengecam, to recognize. Cap, mengecap, to stamp. Cat, mengecat, to paint. Lap, mengelap, to wipe. Sah, mengesahkan, have to add the affix kan, to verify or to confirm. Bomb, mengebom, to bomb. Tut, mengetut, to butt graph. Had, menghadkan, to limit. Had means limit. Hal, mengehalkan, to relate. No E here, just meng. These are the exceptions. Like had. Like here, had laju. Speed limit. Zone perangkap. Means track. Perangkap means track. Zone is zone. Peringatan, reminder. Kenderaan ringan, light vehicle. Kenderaan berat, heavy vehicle. Had laju kebangsaan, national. Speed limit. Awas, caution. Pandu perlahan, drive slowly. Peringatan, reminder. Had laju lebuh raya. Highway, speed limit. Sila patuhi, please comply. Had ketinggian. Height, limit or maximum height. Had ketinggian terowong. Terowong means tunnel. Masuk, enter. Zon kunci, lock zone. Tempat letak kereta, parking lot. Had tinggi, maximum height or height limit. Words to remember. Melukis, to draw. Melihat, to see or to watch. Melompat, to jump. Melawat, to visit. Melatih, to train. Menilai, to assess or to evaluate. Menganga, to open the mouth. Menyanyi, to sing. Mengejar, to chase. Merasa, to taste. Menggali, to dig. Menggigit, to bite. Menghantar, to send. Menghisap, to suck or to smoke cigarette. Mengajar, to teach. Mengumpul, to collect. Mengirim, to send. Mengambil, to take. Meraba, to grope. Mengikut, to follow. Mengikat, to tie. Mengukur, to measure. Membeli, to buy. Membuat, to make. Membuka, to open. Membaca, to read. Membasuh, to wash. Membawa, to bring. Memukul, to strike or to hit. Memakai, to wear, to use. Memotong, to cut. Memegang, to hold. Memasang, to fix, to install or to turn on. Memilih, to choose. Memeriksa, to examine. Mencari, to find or to search. Mencukur, to shave. Menjawab, to answer. Menjemput, to invite. Menjahit, to stitch or to sew. Mendengar, to hear or listen. Menutup, to close. Menolong, to help. Menulis, to write. Menangkap, to catch. Menolak, to push. Menengok, to see. Menerima, to receive or to accept. Menarik, to pull. Menembak, to shoot. Menangis, to cry. Menyepak, to kick. Menyusun, to arrange. Menyapu, to sweep. Menyoal, to question or to ask. Menyimpan, to keep. Menyewa, to rent or to hire. Menyelam, to dive. Like here, Piala Malaysia, Malaysian Cup. Tembak drone. Shooting a drone. Guna gelombang. Use the wave. Exercise. Number 1. My mother listens to Skeeter Davis song. Emak saya mendengar lagu-lagu Skeeter Davis. 2. We buy food at the supermarket. Kami membeli makanan di pasaraya. 3. I wash clothes with a washing machine. Saya membasuh pakaian dengan mesin basuh. 4. Richard teach me to play the guitar. Richard mengajar saya bermain gitar. 5. Helen sends a letter by airmail. Helen menghantar surat dengan mail udara. 6. Queen Elizabeth visit Malaysia and Brunei recently. Ratu Elizabeth melawat Malaysia dan Brunei baru-baru ini. 7. The singer sings in a nightclub. Penyanyi itu menyanyi di kelab malam. 8. The new coach teach 3 times a week. Jurulatih baharu itu mengajar kami 3 kali seminggu. 9. Many people keep their money in the bank. Ramai orang menyimpan wang mereka or duit mereka di dalam bank. 10. Princess Diana died in 1997. Puteri Diana meninggal pada tahun 1997. Tahun means year, on year 1997. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.